realm of riddles.
You are in hell, and the devil has tasked you with filling a pit with 50 liters of lava to produce obsidian. You have a 70-liter metal bucket, a 40-liter metal bucket, and a well with 1,000 liters of lava. How do you get exactly 50 liters into the pit? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. First, fill the 70-liter bucket. Transfer 40 liters from the big bucket to the 40-liter bucket, leaving 30 liters in the big one. Empty the 40-liter bucket. Pour the contents of the big bucket into the small one, leaving 30 liters into it. Refill the big bucket and pour its contents into the 40-liter bucket until full. The big bucket now has 60 liters. Empty the small bucket. Pour the big bucket contents to fill the small bucket, leaving the big one with 20 liters. Empty the small bucket and pour the big bucket's 20 liters into it. Fill up the big bucket and pour its contents into the small bucket until it is full. The big bucket will now have 50 liters. Pour the 50 liters into the pit, and you end up with the desired obsidian.